Did you feel it? I felt the earth move under my feet. I felt the sky tumbling down. I felt my heart start trembling in CFMU town. Oh, I know, Pet, but we felt the tremors far more here than in South Yarra. Of course, we're in the Epic Centre. No, that's not a Westfield shopping plaza. Well, I'm here, outside my B&B in Portsea. I'm inspecting the retaining walls, and they haven't retained themselves very well at all. I mean, there is a gap so wide, it's a mile wide. I could drive my Lexus Hybrid SE right through it. And how's the government going to compensate for me for this? Well, they're not. No, they're not. Just a teeny-weeny 50,000 is all it's going to take to fix this mess they've put me into. Well, of course they put me into the mess. Well, they created the quake, like they created COVID. Don't mamma mia me, I am not a conspiracy theorist, I'm calm and getter. And now Dan the man has put all Bob the Builders off the job until they've had a double jab. Everyone knows tradies get more double jabs than everyone else. And after they've had a ciggy and a pie at Smoko, they don't feel like a double jab. They're not in the mood for a double jab. I mean, it could be bad for their health. Anyway, how are we going to get these Renos finished before Christmas? Oh, I know they're Renos, not Renos. Reno de Janeiro. Brett Sutton's a hunky fellow. And when Brett vaxes me, the light will lighten up my life, and I'll be free at last. What a blast! Oh, you're an embarrassment. Anyway, I rang you to remind you of my double jab Zoom party tonight. So you better glam up, baby. What do you think of this? We are COVID free. I've got all my sisters with me. Woo, yeah. We are COVID free. Yeah. Come on, everybody, let's sing. Ho, ho, ho. We are COVID free. Da, da, da. All thanks to you, Gladys B. Oh, she's gone now. Off she popped. We weren't COVID free. And now you've gone to have a pee. Oh, poor Gladys. Not poor Gladys. I mean, really, what a mess did she get us into? What was that? 5:45? Did you say it's 5:45, Petal? Pedal to the metal. I'm late for my very own online cooking with Corona class. Oh, what a cock-up. I've got hundreds of thousands of fans waiting, just waiting for moi. Oh, mwah, mwah. Bye, Petal. Yes. Oh, oh, mon petit coucherette. Have I kept you waiting all that time? Oh, how remiss. Did you overhear that entire conversazione? Oh, and see my funky dance moves? Oh, really? Well, I got so distracted. I'm so sorry. Time just ran away from moi with all the Renos and everything. Oh, I don't know about you, but I'm finding this lockdown, it's impossible for me to focus. Robert is convinced I have AHDT. And I say, no, Robert, no. No, it's a COVID thing. I mean, our little brains just cannot take all this free time. They go AWOL with so much free time and so little structure. Well, literally. But he insists, and I say, I don't want to go to rehab. I say, no.